Hey, what up, you guys? So I'm here to share my package from Charlie. Thank you so much, Charlie, and thank you for your patience. This is, as you can see, the date. It's been in my possession for a couple of weeks. It was in my post office for maybe 2 weeks. And then, yeah. So let's just jump right into it. Just split it open for time purposes. I'm so excited. This is from my binder mail swap. So I'm going to leave her name here and down below. Go check her out on Instagram. I'm not sure if she has a YouTube. But if she does, I'll double check and I'll link it. So let's see. Oh, so this is my Christmas binder mail swap. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. Okay. She decorated the flaps. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm already seeing something and I'm going crazy. Look at that, look at this bow. Oh my gosh, this is just so pretty. I can't take it all in. Wait, did you guys see this side? I don't know. Okay, so let's see. Oh, look at this. It says, have a Merry Christmas. I love these little dots. Are those the hot glue dots? I think she got, if I'm not mistaken, it's like white glue sticks. It's glue sticks, but it's white. And she was doing all sorts of beautiful creations. If you guys are not following her, you have to follow her on Instagram. Look how beautiful she wrote my name. She said, thank you for hosting such a fun swap. I had so much fun creating this binder mail for you. I hope you like Snow and Coco because that's what I use for this whole thing. Laughing out loud. Made with love for you. Merry Christmas, Charlie. So we were both late on this, but it's fine. I love Christmas, so anytime is good. Oh my gosh, this is just beautiful. And I don't have Snow and Coco. My mom actually, I think, has a few items, but she doesn't have the paper pad. She was going crazy looking for it and she couldn't find it. So I feel something in here though. Oh my gosh, what did she do? She sent me these beautiful ice skate dies. And you can make it into a shaker if you want. Oh my gosh, look at this paper. Oh, that one's nice, the embossing. Oh my god, and look at these tiny little memory decks cards, you guys. How stinking cute. Thank you so much, Charlie. Look at this yumminess right here. I'm just going to pull out. I'm going to push this to the side because my table is super small, my craft desk. So I'm going to push it to the side for just a second. And I think I'm just going to start pulling stuff out. Look at this bag, you guys. This is so cute. And then inside, she put these super cute little Christmas trees in green, white, and pink. And it also has like white, like faux snow. I love this baggie, and it says hello holiday. Gosh, this is beautiful. Happy birthday. Aww. Okay, I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should. Oh my gosh, I can't. Okay, let's just go into this because I guess she noticed that it was my birthday. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little tag. The tag, I guess, was supposed to stay in there. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. She even has confetti everywhere, you guys. Let's open this up. This is adorable. I love how she put this like lace or trim. This ribbon is so cute. Oh. Oh my gosh, look at this ephemera piece. Make a wish. Oh my gosh. Happy birthday, Chris. I hope you had a blast. Aww. Thank you so much, girl. This is so cute. Yeah, so Charlie. Yeah. Look at the confetti pieces. They're just flying everywhere. I love it. Oh my goodness. What is this? This is the beautifulness of shaker. So it looks like, how stinking cute. She did like a sequence mix, and inside also she added some pom-poms and some confetti. How adorable is that? Oh my gosh, this is adorable. That is so smart. And look, you guys, this is an envelope. I think she glued 2 envelopes. Yes, you're so smart. Look at this ephemera. Hey, it's your birthday. Oh, I love this. Now I gotta get this paper collection. It is so cute. Oh, and then she gave me some rosettes. I love this color crepe paper rosette. And this one too. I don't think I have these 2 colors. Very nice. I love me some rosettes. They're actually my favorite. Thank you so much for thinking of me, girly. I absolutely love this. I have to save this. Yes, and reuse it for someone else's birthday because my name is not on it. So yeah, this is so cute. I gotta recreate something like this. This is adorable. Thank you so much, girl, for thinking of me on my birthday. I appreciate that. Look at this. First of all, she made a cute little bag topper. And then look at this little pillow. Now, I'm wondering, did you buy this? Yeah, this is store-bought. Oh my gosh, that paper is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And look, these are little felt bows. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at all the confetti everywhere. I love it. Love the little bag topper. Super cute. Oh my god, I love black. I love teal. And I like white. So that is so cute. Thank you so much. Guys, I need to... Let me push this aside because I really want to show you the box. Like, it's just so pretty. This video might be super duper long, you guys. But look how cute. Like, I can't even deal. Do you guys see something over here? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. Look at this gorgeousness. This is a memory dex card. So one of the things we were supposed to do is include a memory dex card. Loving this pom-pom trim you used all the way everywhere. She used that snow from Dollar Tree. She made a shaker. This is like a frame. Is that a frame too? Yeah, maybe because it's open. Oh wow, girl. This is beautiful. I love it. Little Christmas tree inside. Snowflakes. I love it. Look at this. Thank you, girly. And then we have this little package here. What is this? Little bag topper. This is a really nice bag topper. I'm not going to open it up. Guys, this is so cute. This is a dark chocolate cocoa mix. Yep. Wow, this is so cool. And look at the little freaking shovel. My son is probably going to steal that from me. Oh my gosh. And I love anything chocolate. I love dark chocolate as well. So this is, I'm going to probably have this later tonight because it's like a rainy day today. A little chilly. And I love how she has like the balls. I never bought them from Dollar Tree. I seen them and I never picked them up. But now I have some because I'm going to be reusing those for sure. Guys, this is just phenomenal. Look at this confetti. I'm saving all of this, you guys. So here it looks like she had it clip on with this super cute clip. And it's super glittery and just delicious. And then, oh, look, she shared some pom-pom trim with me. This one's so cute. So soft. Look at the pom-poms. I love that color. I don't have any color like that. And then a cute little bow. I could put a little bling in the center. Super cute. Look at all this confetti. I gotta save it all. Look at that, you guys. Did you make these? I wonder. You probably did. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You probably made it with like a die. Maybe? I'm not sure. Maybe you bought it. Look at this envelope. Totally reusing. Super cute. No way. Oh, this is such a cool envelope. Saving that too. Look, you guys. She gave me the stamp set and the shaker sticker. Oh, that's nice. So I don't have anything Merry Days because I don't have a Tuesday morning near me or anything like that. My mom, actually, she does drive out with my dad out to the island, Long Island, and she does try to go shopping, and she has a little bit of the Merry Days collection. I'm going to see what she has because I might share with her. Maybe her and I could do a project together or something like that. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So we got 6 shaker stickers from Merry Days. This is so cute. And then this is the 6 acrylic stamps. Oh my gosh, girly. You spoiled me. Thank you, thank you. I don't want to lose this clip or this. So I'm going to just clip it right on. I think I might do a part 2, you guys. I don't want this to be super duper long, but we'll see. Something was wrapped up in here. Oh my gosh. I saw this on her Instagram, you guys. What? Stop. Oh my gosh. Look at the little balls. So cute. Oh my gosh. You guys, do you see this? She made a Christmas sled. What is it? And she put like little white pom-poms in there. How cute. Like little snowballs. Oh my gosh. This is so cute, you guys. Wow. Look how adorable. And look at the drips, you guys. This is, I think this is done with hot glue. That's like her signature. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my God. And this is like, this is not acetate. This is like a plasticky thing. Wow, girl, you super creative. Look at that. So cute. The box, you guys. I see this in here. Look at this, you guys. I can totally use this. I can cut them apart, use them on projects. I can wrap something up with this. Oh my gosh. It's like yumminess. I just want to eat everything inside this box. Oh my God, look at this, you guys. I can't even. Hold on. I can't even deal right now. What's happening? Look at this. My mom's gonna want this, you guys. This matches her craft room perfectly. So, I don't know if you guys know, but I did have 3 partners because I messed up on a lot. This was my first hosting a swap, and I did a little boo-boos. So I didn't want no one to like be left out, and then I didn't want to like ask people, hey, can you take on this person or take on this person? Well, anyway, Charlie was the first person I was supposed to swap with, and then the other 2 was because I messed up. So my mom goes, since you have 3 partners, you're gonna give me a binder and you're gonna give me some stuff, because she had a partner too. But my mom loves like crafty goodies. If you hear my kids, this is what it is, guys. This is just beautiful, and I don't know, I hope you're okay with this, but I might give this to my mom just because I like sharing with my mom. I don't want to give this to her, but me and my mom, we share, and she'll probably give it back to me later on. But this matches her craft room perfectly, and her craft room was actually my old bedroom. So, you know, it's like a little connection. Look, you guys, it says snow. I'm gonna make one of these. Craft Purge did a tutorial on this. Look at all the confetti. Oh my God, I'm loving it. Guys, look at this charm. Oh my goodness. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh. So in here, you guys, look how cute. She made little tags. This is a cute tag. I like the little opening here. And look at the clusters of sequins. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. How adorable, you guys. Girl, you do your thing. Oh, this one with the pink. So cold. How cute. I love how she put the crinkles. This is so adorable. Okay. Oh my gosh. Now I'm not going to get anything back in now. We're going to move on to the next one. Okay. I have to give my son a little snacky snacks. My goodness. Look at this, you guys. Look at these pom-poms. I love the pom-poms. Look at this. Okay. Now let's go into this one. This little... Did you... Yeah, you did. You did. Now, my mom has this. Is it called the crocodile? Crocodile. Correct me. But these little beads, and then I think Buzzing with V did a video on how to like twine. Oh my gosh. I don't have this crocodile, whatever. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Boom. All right, I'm not going to take them all out because then I'm not going to be able to push them back in. Look, you guys. She put a snowflake in the center. She added the snow. Oh, my goodness. Look at that one. And that one. Hold on. That one. Oh, my gosh. This is just beautiful. I love this paper collection. I have to double check to see if my mom ever got her hands on the actual paper. I think she was still needing that. Oh my goodness, look at this one. The little tiny tassel. I find it so hard to order from AliExpress. I don't know why. I don't know what it is. But I've only ordered once from AliExpress. And I don't know. I just found it really hard just to order from there. I don't know why. Don't ask me. I just don't know why. Oh my gosh, look at this little ball. Okay, look at this paper, you guys. So freaking cute. Oh my gosh, look how cute this bling is. I don't have any of these. Wow, look at this one. Gorge. Oh my gosh, look at that one. I have the pink one, but I love pink. And actually I'm running low on pink, so that's good. Ooh, that one's nice. I don't have that one. Ooh, yellow. I don't have yellow. And this one, I have something similar, but I don't know if it's this one. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love the gold. Where did you get the gold from? This one's gorgeous. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I can't stop smiling. My cheeks hurt. And then the last one here. Look at that. So cute. Look at these baggies, guys. Super cute. I think there was a squirrel on my windowsill, but the window's closed, but I heard something. When I turned around, I saw a fluffy tail. Look how cute. You know, it would have been funny if that was like a rat. In New York City, you guys, these rats, they climb walls. They're like crazy. Anywho, look at this. This is so beautiful. Oh, these are so cute. I just can't even deal. I just can't even deal. Thank you so much, girl. You are amazing. Seriously, super crafty. I would love to craft. I was gonna say I would love to craft with you. Yes, I would. But she lives in New York too. But I think she lives upstate New York. Look at this funness right here, you guys. Oh, I just want to bathe in all of this right here. Before I get into the binder, I'm actually going to end it here because this video is already getting a little bit long, but all for the right reasons. Thank you so much, girly, for all the extras, and thank you so much for thinking of me on my birthday. Appreciate you, and this is just absolutely stunning, and stay tuned for the binder. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek right now. Don't you want to go in here and take a bath and cuddle with all of this? Look at this. Look at this. Oh, wait, look, there's one more thing in here. If you guys want to see this beautiful binder mill, I can see it already. It's just gorgeous. Just click on to the next video so you can see.